Welcome to Oak Island. I'm Cris Young on the air. This old technology was running in somebody's home 2 weeks ago. They made a choice to upgrade their system to technology of today. This guy is blast on, blast off technology. So this unit, when it calls for cooling, 100%. Gets the temperature, turns off. Hot air rises, cold air settles. It just does that all day. Aggressive on, aggressive off. This customer that upgraded this system put in a variable speed technology. Once it gets to temperature, it backs off its electrical consumption and it maintains it using about 30% of the power. The new product in his house is running at high speed less than 10% of the time. So if you want to consider upgrading a system like this, you'll benefit in two ways. Cost of operation, better comfort.
You can call Oak Island